Ahead of Punjab polls, Punjab Congress Chief Navjot Singh Sidhu along with other leaders met Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh this morning to discuss issues relating to Punjab and the party government coordination. CM Captain Amrinder Singh and State Chief Navjot Singh Sidhu agreed to set up a 10-member strategic policy group. This meeting comes in between the open infighting between the two leaders. Gurpreet joining us live with more inputs. So Gurpreet, even within the party now, there are two power centers clearly visible and some sort of a mechanism is being worked at to ensure that there is smooth functioning. What do we know so far about this?
Well, yes, of course, that the way we have seen that since Navjot Singh Sidhu has taken over the reins of the party in Punjab, there are the two power centers. One is the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, and another is Navjot Singh Sidhu. But today, this is the surprising development which we have seen today. Navjot Singh Sidhu had gone to meet the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, where they had a meeting in detail and discussed that strategy policy coordination committee they are going to form, and in which they have decided that on from Monday to Friday, a lot of ministers should sit there. They will meet the MLAs, and there should be proper coordination between the state government as well as the party, so that in the upcoming election they will be able to put a united front. But the question is very clear. The people are raising a lot of questions because since Navjot Singh Sidhu has taken over the reins of the party, we have seen in many platforms, in many public addresses, he has been targeting the party by saying that the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, has failed to deliver the promises, and now he's looking forward for amending the things in the state, and that's why he has taken over as a Congress chief in the state. But today, this development, it is yet to be seen that how they will be able to move coordinated or not. That is yet to be seen, that whether this coordination meeting will be fruitful or not. But as of now, what we are sensing, what we are picking in this thing, that this is a political move by Navjot Singh Sidhu, because we have seen that the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, he has already gone to national capital. He has applied Sonia Gandhi, President of Congress, by saying that the public criticism of Congress by Navjot Singh Sidhu will be damaging in the next elections, and that will be very, very damaging for the upcoming elections. So, keeping in view, it seems that the party high command had already directed Navjot Singh Sidhu that there should be proper coordination, and we have also seen that the party in charge, Harish Rawat, he has been advising both, because a few days back we have seen a major development of Navjot Singh Sidhu. He has been criticizing the Punjab government on the public platform. At the same time, we have seen Captain Amrinder Singh, he has started chopping of the wings of the ministers, the cabinet minister who had been supporting openly to Navjot Singh Sidhu, and this type of infighting has been seen within the party. And after that, Harish Rawat, he has also intervened. He said that there is need to be more coordination, and both the leaders should respect each and the other. So it seems that today it's the political move by Navjot Singh Sidhu, because instead of calling Captain Amrinder Singh, the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, that he wanted to meet him somewhere else at his official residence. In the morning, he has gone to meet the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh, at his farmhouse. And after that, we have seen that a strategy policy coordination committee has been set up, where 10 members are the part of this strategy policy committee. And every day from Monday to Friday, one of the ministers, he has been deputed there, that he will talk to the MLAs, and there is need to bring the people from the grassroots level, and their grievances should be addressed. Now, it's a scene that whether the government as well as the party, especially Navjot Singh Sidhu as well as the Captain Amrinder Singh,
they cannot work independent of each other. They have to work in tandem. And this is a poll-bound state we are talking about. There can be a huge damage to the party if these two leaders fall out again. Thanks for joining us, Gurpreet, with the latest input.